D.I.Y with JacQ.
All right, today we're gonna make us some good old-fashioned chili. And it's gonna be a simple recipe with flavor. You'll see. So today we're gonna have us some ground turkey. Of course, I like to use 2 of these. So you're gonna get your 2 ground turkeys, any kind. Or if you like beef, go for the beef. What you're gonna need also is some good old-fashioned onion blend with the peppers. Then you're gonna use you some of this good old-fashioned stuff. You ain't gotta be fancy. Some parsley, some chili powder, some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning. See, we finna make this stuff taste good. Some onion powder and some minced onions. But you know, you can't forget this. You got to, if you go have some chili with some flavor, you got to get the Chachere. So these are all your ingredients. We make it all pretty for you so you can see good. Wham, blam, and thank you, ma'am. That's what you're gonna do. So now we're finna go over here to this pot because I already started. That's what it look like. So you got this. Put it all in the pot. Everything. It ain't gotta be perfect. You just want your meat seasoned. Cause ain't nothing, let me tell you something. Ain't nothing like eating food and you be like, it tastes like water. Where's the salt? Where is the seasoning? Where is anything? I'm gonna be back. Let me stir this all good right quick. You definitely gotta get up in here. Look at all your flavors. Look at all your seasonings. Look at all your pretty stuff. And this is just for the meat. Here we get that right there. Boom. So, come on over here. After you done got all your meat good and cooked, look at this. Look at this. Like you can eat this like how it is. You got your veggies in there, especially if you ain't no vegetable person. You already getting your vegetables because it's all up in your meat. My thing that I use, because I got all these kids, and I don't be wanting to smell them. And normally when you make chili, you use red beans and your pinto beans and your black beans. Oh, all I know is my daddy used to call it musical fruit. That means you be pooting everywhere. Sorry for the language if you don't like it. Then it just is what it is. You have flatulence. So since I didn't want to smell my kids and my wonderful, beautiful husband, I use this.
Black-eyed peas.
What? Black-eyed peas? Who used black-eyed peas in chili? We do. Let me show you. What you want to do first? Pour this water on. Black-eyed peas with some good old-fashioned bacon. Who doesn't like bacon? Some people don't like bacon. You don't have to use the bacon. You can stick with the original, the regular black-eyed peas. I was trying to teach you something. You probably already know about this. I'm just trying to teach you a little something. Get you a little, get you something that tastes good for the wintertime. Because everybody ain't trying to cook. Instead of having to get the rotel, we get this. I already come with your onion, celery, and green peppers. Man, you can't. Okay, let's put that flavor now. You gotta put the love in there. The love is what's gonna make it taste even better. So you already got all these flavors. Oh, let me get my meat. Come on back to my meat. Come on back to this meat. Look at this meat. Look at this. You can't tell me that don't look like it's seasoned. You can't tell me that this don't look flavorful. I mean, hey. And if you don't eat meat, hang out in the pot.
More food screen.
Oh, here. Mixed vegetables.
What? Beans.
Green beans. A wise man once told me when I was very much insecure about making chili, because I wanted some. I said, well, how am I supposed to make chili? He said, you can put anything in chili. You can't mess it up. So whatever you want to put in a chili, Put it in there.
Like vegetables?
That's what I'm putting in mine. The corn gives a balance to all this salt up in here. All this salty savoriness. You get the little sweet in there. Give a little balance. You gotta have balance.
Mama.
You gotta have balance. Here, like.
Scrumptious.
It's time to add your packet chili. It already got a whole bunch of little ingredients in it. It could be whatever kind of packaged chili.
Boom, boom.
Slap that right there. That's where your seasoning gonna go. Put you some of this good old fashioned
Chili powder.
Mm-hmm. Snap some right here. Oh, and I'm like the old people. I don't really be measuring nothing. I season to taste.
Anything. I can't.
Boom.
What is that?
Here.
That green stuff. Italian seasoning. Okay, this is in 2 minutes. Tony Chachere. Let's mix it.
Now you gotta mix it all in there. Mixing everything. All of those seasonings. Look at all that.
Like
And you know we gotta get the best part. Scooch it. And this is all going in your Instapot. You know why they call it Instapot? Instant flavor. that was so lame. Here we go.
There's less meat and more vegetables.
Oh, and look, when you're using ground turkey, you don't have to worry about all that grease. Now you're mixing everything. And remember, we're using black-eyed peas. So basically, because you got a whole pot of vegetables, a whole pot of corn and peas and string beans and all your veggies, it's like a big old soup. But it's chili. Now, before you close your pot, you know you gotta taste it. Let's see. Before we begin, it don't taste happy. If it don't taste happy, oh, put some of that in there. Get the happiness from that Tony Chachere. Now you stir it all up. You season to taste. You season to taste. Oh, we already got a lot of seasonings in here anyway, so taste it. Taste and see if it's flavorful enough for you. Don't get the sneezing, because you got you some potent stuff in here. Get it from the bottom, so your black-eyed peas can be good and well incorporated. Good incorporated in there. There go your chili in the Instapot. Right there. Now we're gonna let that bad boy simmer in the juices. Oh, look. We're gonna go from there. And we're gonna clean up all your ingredients with your chili powder. And I'll put all of these ingredients in the description so you can just make your own. This is a nice foundation for some chili. And you can go wherever you want to go with it. Yeah. Well, whatever. How it taste, man?
11 out of 11.
11 out of 11? Okay, well, let's let it cook first.
All the nutrients, all the meat, all the spices.
Not the spices.
Yeah, it tastes very scrumptious.
Not scrumptious. Son, get down.